Close your eyes. Take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Yeah. Relax and relax and relax and relax and relax and relax. Body relaxation, relaxation. Yes, whatever the present things and past words are there in your mind, in the life, in your environment, in your family members, everything, accepting as it is. Yes, accept, accept, accept. Every second we are relaxing and relaxing and relaxing with a beautiful smile in our face. When your exhalation, more and more relaxation is happening. Exhalation and relaxation. And also accepting the situations in your life, present situation, in the world, in your environment, everything as it is. The external sounds, internal body situation, everything as it is with a smile. After acceptance, with the continuous smile, we are continuing the meditation. So much relaxed and connecting with the cosmic energy. With the count of 1 to 10, you are getting energized. 1, more and more energies. Every cell is receiving a lot of energies. 2, more and more energies you are receiving. 3, from all the directions you are receiving the energies, more and more energies. 4, deeply each and every cell, when you're inhaling, every cell is inhaling the cosmic energy. 5, all the energy is integrating and traveling in our body very freely, completely. 6, more and more energies we are receiving in the Hara chakra, Hara place, in the Manipuraka chakra, the belly button, and below 2 inches, 2-3 inches, the Hara point there. Lower Dandian point also is we call. So there we are also accumulating a lot of energies. 7, more and more energies we are receiving. 8, we are all connected as whole consciousness. 9, we are connecting with our inner. 10, connecting with the whole God consciousness. Oneness, blissfulness, everything is one. We are all one with everything. God is inside us. We are touching the consciousness, God consciousness, which is inside us, and through that God consciousness, we are completely merging, so that we are the one with the God, whole God. Now we are awakened towards our Godhood, omnipresence. So much happiness, bliss, omniscient, all-knowing, omnipotent, all powerful. Every cell is vibrating with the energy in our body, in the physical body, in our Vishwatma, in the body of cosmos, Vishwasharira. Everyone with us is also meditating. So from now, again, we are feeling that we are coming back here. This after connecting with oneness energies, we are feeling coming back here in the physical body. From here, we are sending our good wishes to our family and friends. And now we are sending the good wishes to all the people. Just imagine or feel. First thing is, who are there? Because of them, your money got stuck. First row, you make them stand in the first row. Okay, it could be 1 person, 2 persons, 3 persons, or 10 persons. That is the first row. In the second row, keep all the people who you got anger or frustration or hatred, where you're not forgiving. That is second row people. And third row, the people who are hating you, who are avoiding you, who are not talking to you, who somehow are feeling hatred or anger, or who the people who are not understanding you, who are not supporting you. Those people on the third row. In the fourth row, there are other people which we might not know directly, but some other people also. People or some other things who are affecting us, our life. In the fourth row. And fifth row, the planets. And the sixth row, all the karma. All our karma, everything. Okay, we kept everything. And in the seventh row, everything in the universe. Okay, now we are from here, we are sending all our. We are the center of all these people and all these beings. From the center, we're opening up our heart, the love and light, and the good wishes to all of these people. May you all be happy, happy. May you all be abundant. May you all be understanding the wisdom so that completely free. May you all follow the Dharma, the wisdom of Dharma be with you. From our heart, we are connecting to the whole cosmic consciousness, the oneness, and from the oneness, we are deriving the energies from the God. We are deriving the energies and good wishes, and sending these good wishes heartfully, complete heartfully. May you all be happy, santosham, happy, anandam. May you all be blissful. May you all understand and live with the complete love. May the love be there in your life every second. May the fortune, abundance, prosperity, money be there with you all the time. May you be blessed with all the divinity, spirituality and dharma. And we are sending so much good wishes to all of these people. Just see individually and as a group, from our inner being, which is God. That Godhood, we are sending all, radiating all bliss, all love, all. Just send a gold energies. Just send that gold coins. You visualize that in the form of gold coins. Lot of well wishes. You are showering on top of them. May you all be happy. May you all family members be happy. May your environment be happy. May your situations, may you all get all your karmas be cleared and learned. May you all get all the wisdom of self-realization, God realization. Through this wisdom, burn all the karmas, clear all the karmas. May you all reach the highest enlightenment, sending all positive vibrations, all good wishes to you every time. Now, from our individual consciousness, from our personal space, from our heart. We are radiating love. 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 We are becoming the center of the ocean of love, and showering all the love towards all the beings of these beings and all the earth and all the cosmos. We are showering the energies inside in our room. Yes, room. We are showering our consciousness and love, infinite love, infinite compassion, infinite bliss towards our family members, towards all our friends, towards all our enemies, who we think and who others think others enemies. We are showering all our love, infinite joy, infinite wisdom from the God consciousness, from the connectivity with our God. We are showering all love towards all the earth people. Love to the earth and earth's inhabitants. Love to all the beings of the past, present, future, whoever came in contact with us in our life, directly, indirectly. We are showering all the love, wisdom, friendship, all our good wishes. May you all be happy. Prosperous. May you all be lucky. సౌభాగ్యాస్ సుఖ సంతోష సౌభాగ్యాలతో ఆనందంతో విరాసిల్లు కాక అందరూ with health, wealth, bliss, love. May you all shine. Our past lives, every life, everyone, we are showering all of our infinite joy, infinite love, infinite compassion, infinite wisdom towards all the beings. Towards all the gods and all the upper realms and lower realms, everyone in the whole cosmos. Love. Happiness. Bliss. Thank you all, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now we are coming back slowly in our being, and let this radiation of well wishes be there with us every time. From our heart, we are wishing best for everyone in the whole universe. Let us carry the Kalyana Mitra consciousness with us every single second, every moment by moment. We are the Kalyana Mitras. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay.